Hi, Mattress Mack here, Gallery Furniture. Lots of talk nowadays about making products in the United States, making products overseas. Let me tell you the story of the American furniture business. When I first got in the American furniture business back in the 1980s, everything was made in America, everything. There were plants all over Texas, all over Mississippi, all over North Carolina. You could get whatever furniture you want. Get it fairly quickly too, because the plants were constantly making furniture and shipping it all over the country. Then as the 90s came on, the MBAs started buying these furniture companies, seeing a lot of them had a healthy cash flow, and they started lowering the number of workers and offshoring jobs to China, Vietnam, Mexico, wherever. And about that time, the American furniture business started downhill. Once upon a time, there was a great American furniture company that the MBA guys put them all together, some of the best American furniture companies ever, like Roy Hill, Lane, Drexel Heritage, Henry Don, Maitland Smith, the list goes on and on. They put them all together into a giant brand called Furniture Brands International that at one time employed 35,000 Americans. They gradually offshored all those jobs to China and shuttered every one of those plants in all those different states, and 35,000 people are out of work. You know, work brings purpose and meaning to life, and a lot of these factory workers knew nothing else than making furniture. That was their life's work. That gave their life purpose and meaning. And once that job was gone, out came the oxycodone epidemic and then the fentanyl epidemic, and we know what horrors that ravaged on the American people. So my pitch is there are still a lot of great American furniture manufacturers left, like Stickley Furniture in New York and North Carolina, making some of the finest high quality furniture anywhere in the world. In fact, I would say the finest high quality furniture. And then right here in Texas, there's great companies like Dixon Furniture. Right here in Houston, making upholstered furniture. The Sealy Bedding Company started in Sealy, Texas, then went to Brenham making high quality mattresses. We've got Mayo Furniture in Texarkana, Texas, making quality upholstered furniture for 40 years, employing people, making communities, having a tight-knit community centered around that plant. My pitch is for bringing jobs back to Americans, getting Americans back to work. Work brings purpose and meaning to life. In 1900, the average size of a U.S. household was 10.5 people. Today, the average size of a U.S. household is less than 2, and one's the loneliest number. Work brings community to people. They meet their friends there, they live there, it becomes fabric of their life, and we've robbed these people of the joy of work. I say we bring back the joy of work, bring back American manufacturing, and take care of our own.